let's get to making this oat milk. While we have a quick break from investments, we have to make sure we have a few things. Oats. These are some organic oats. We have a measuring cup. This is a half cup, a strainer, some ice cold water. It has to be ice cold. At least that's what we've learned to avoid slimy looking stuff. And of course, we got our baby right here, the blender.
Open this.
So we use a half cup of oats for every 3 cups of water.
Perfect.
This is about 9 cups of water. So that means we'll need 3 half cups.
Oh my goodness, Mr. Daddy.
Fill it up a little more. You said Mr. Daddy's coming?
Yep. Oh yeah, we're gonna make it flush like you said. What's flush mean?
You want to make it even, so when you run your finger across, it should be even.
Okay, let's do it.
All right. And now it's time to pour the water. That on in.
Get ready, it's gonna be satisfying. Oh yeah. Oh Lord, we about to have so much milk. Ah!
It's okay.
Can I eat this ice? Beautiful.
You have to make sure the arrows are lined up.
Like how the blenders be, like stuff be flying out the blenders when you don't put the top on it. That's what actually gonna happen.
Oh, I don't want that to happen.
Twice.
All right, so we got everything in there, right, little lady?
Yeah.
Now it's time to blend it. We're only going to blend it for about 40 seconds.
Yes.
All right. Ooh, look at
Ooh, creamy.
So, don't take that off. Just to let y'all know, y'all are able to add like maple syrup or dates to it just to add a little flavor, but I always feel like we're going to add cereal to the milk that has sugar or we're going to end up adding sugar to stuff we're baking or pancakes we're making. So I don't know. I don't feel like it's necessary. Yeah. So now this is where the strainer comes in handy. This is considered oat milk with pulp at this point. So we're going to use this to strain the oat pulp, right?
Yeah.
We'll link the stuff we're using in the description. We did have a bigger one of these, but we applied too much pressure to it
And broke it.
So we're using this one today.
Smells kind of good. And guys, if you have kids, you can let your kids help. Pretty easy.
That is good old homemade oat milk processing. So sometimes you might have to do a little side to side, and it's good to have a spoon handy too, just so you can kind of turn it over to help it kind of strain through, move some of those blockages out the way. So I'm just taking the spoon and kind of trying to get these leftovers out of there. We got all those scraps, okay?
Gotta use the spoon. Get our milk, guys.
So we just gonna strain this one more time and get ready to pour it in our glass bottle.
I'll see if there's any in there. I think we did good on straining it the first time.
Yeah, looks good. This is literally a jar we saved from some juice.
Like, we used it so many times for our milk. It looks like dairy milk, but it's not. Every.
We work hard for the milk. When the milk sits, it can sometimes separate, so you can help that by giving it a good shake or even adding some of this gum. I'll dump these out to be able to put this in the oven. They figured out a good idea to just go ahead and put it in the oven, dry it out, smash it up like a meal or a flour.
Add it into some cookies or something.
Add it to the dog roll.
Yeah. Our dog like it.
Sure do. At least almonds. We'll show y'all how to make almond milk next time. So Ava wants to show y'all our knife holder. It's pretty cool because guess what? You always know what size knife you're grabbing. So I think that's pretty cool.
Our giant knife.
And we're just missing one that's in the dish rack right now.